Morning, everybody. It's November the 18th. It's about 9:36. The Commissioners Court special meeting. Let the record show we have a quorum established. Commissioner Karbowski, Commissioner Arthur, Commissioner Whitmire present. We have three items on the agenda, on the special agenda this morning. First one up is for Mr. Poston and Ms. McCarty over in the County Attorney's Office. Consider and approve amended resolution for donation and road use settlement and release agreement between Liberty County and Natural Gas Pipeline Company of America, LLC, for damages to County Road 109 in reimbursement for previous repairs made to White's Bayou Bridge, in the total amount of $400,074.32 to be paid to Liberty County. Bruce, that's over in your neck of the woods. You have anything you want to add to it?
No. Make a motion to approve.
Yeah, turn your
mic on.
mic on.
Yeah, you guys can turn.
Can you hear me now?
I got you.
Okay.
Goes to the eye doctor, comes back all cranky. I tell you what'd they tell you anyway? Got a motion from Bruce. Need a second from David. Is there any further discussion?
Yeah, Judge.
Catherine, there you are.
Hi, Judge. If I may, I would just like to put it on the record that the agreement that is before the court today includes some settlement language insisted upon by NGPL. Previously, I would say about a month ago, the court approved a couple of resolutions accepting the donation from NGPL, and those resolutions will be attached as exhibits to this agreement that you're approving today with the settlement language, because this is in fact a donation, but to put this through, NGPL, understandably so, wanted some additional release language to be accompanied by the donation resolutions.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Any further discussion? Everybody good with that? Okay. Call for a vote. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Likewise, nays. That motion carries. Thank you, Jim. Thank you, Catherine. Number 2, from Mr. Gott over in the County Auditor's Office, to consider and approve purchase of 35.78 acres BW Hardin League A-7 located on Highway 146 North, adjacent to Liberty County Sheriff's Department, for the purpose of building a new correctional facility. Cost of purchase is up to $870,000, depending on the adjusted closing cost. And when that'll be enough, you think, to make it?
I got the closing document from Vanderbilt Real Estate. The prior amount of the check will be $855,313.90.
And I believe the land itself changed. It's less than the 38 or 39. It's 37.4 or 5.
35.78.
30. Okay.
I think it ultimately saved us about $5,000, if I remember correctly.
Okay. What say the court? Motion from Greg. Second from David. Is there any further discussion? Catherine, you got anything you want to add to that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Hearing none, call for vote. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Likewise, nays. That motion carries. Thank you, gentlemen. And the last item is, we talked about this at the last court, but we want to make sure we do this correctly. To consider and approve declaring Commissioner Precinct 4 Leon Wilson's nameplate that he keeps in front of his position here on the court as surplus and donate it to his family, which I think is a mighty fine gesture.
Make a motion to approve.
Second.
Motion from David, second from Bruce. Is there any further discussion?
Judge, if I may.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Under the government code, when you declare something surplus or salvage, in order to donate or transfer that property, there needs to be an affirmative finding that this item has no resale value and the state will sufficiently benefit from that transfer or donation. So I would ask that pursuant to the language in the government code, you'll make those findings in your motion.
Okay. So should we table this until that is in the language or just add it as an amendment to the language?
I think
today?
you can add that in your motion. You know, you're declaring it either surplus. I believe the agenda item says surplus, but in order to donate specifically, you've got to affirmatively state that there is no value, there's no resale value.
I don't think there's any resale value to this because there's
No.
only one person that could use it. Yeah.
And I would argue the same. This is a nameplate. Anyone who holds that position in future cannot use this item. It would have to be repurchased.
Approved.
We can say the nameplate has no resale value and is of sentimental value to the family
Yeah.
only.
That okay, Catherine?
That's perfect. Thank you, Lee.
You're welcome.
So that is a amendment to the motion from David. Second
Second
from
that amendment.
second that amended change. All righty. Any further discussion now? Hearing none, call for vote. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
And that motion does carry. And next item up is an adjournment.
Make a motion to adjourn.
Second.
Motion from Bruce, second from David. Any further discussion? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.